Mga ka-nose! Welcome sa akong YouTube channel, Drinking Nose. I'm your barista, Maiko, ang Yesto. And for today's Taste Test Review episode, Mastering Foods and Drinks by 2D Samgyupsaranghae. The Samgyupsaranghae, the first 2D Korean restaurant inspired by the famous 2D cafe in Korea, located at Festive Parade, Iloilo City. Open every day starting 10 a.m. until 10 p.m. For their fullest of menus, promos, and other details, I'll provide description down below. This episode, this is a sponsored brand review, and disclaimer lang mga nose, this is my own opinion and my own standards when it comes to brands or taste test reviews. Like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Drinking Nose, para always kayo notified sa mga latest episodes ko. Just click the notification bell icon. Kapag may nakita kayong skip ads, ilang seconds or ilang minutes, huwag niyo pong skip. Malaking tulong na yun sa aking channel. These are ice cold towers for Pepsi, Mountain Dew, or Rootbeer for only 220 pesos. Good for 4 or 6 persons. All sets come with Unli rice, Unli lettuce, and Unli dips. For their only 8 side dishes consists of kimchi, fish cake, potato marbles, steamed egg, pickled onions, pickled radish, pickled cucumber, and garlic. These are only pork, beef, and chicken for 499 pesos. Consists of kimchi bacon, cheesy bacon, classic pork, gochujang, soy garlic chicken, spicy chicken, beef bulgogi, classic beef, and only cheesy mozzarella. Okay, for rating mga nose, based on experience and overall review with Ilonggo vloggers, we'll give it a perfect 10. For 2D Samgyupsaranghae is one of the best Korean samgyeopsal in Festive Parade, Iloilo. Legit well-seasoned for their Korean meats or foods, delish side dishes, addictive only cheesy mozzarella, steamed egg for their tower drinks, and soju with a unique and Instagrammable inspired by the famous 2D cafe of Korea now in Iloilo City. They also have this excellent service and overall taste and quality. And magpasalamat ako sa mga Ilonggo vloggers na kasama ko for assisting and joining me for this wonderful experience kay Glaiza, Shane, Heart Kisses, Bat Vlogs, Carl Lucas Photography, and Biboy Natics. Also sa mga owners and staff, once again, congratulations and thank you to 2D Samgyupsaranghae. Stay safe, panos. See you in the next brand, taste review, or do it yourself episodes here in City of Love, Iloilo City. Bye!